In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Stripe account ID. This is a useful piece of information, especially if you're managing payments or setting up integrations that require precise account details. Let's dive into the process, which is refreshingly simple. First, make sure that you're logged into your Stripe account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials on Stripe's main website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page, which is the central hub of all your Stripe activities. From the dashboard, you need to look for the Settings option. This is located in the lower left-hand corner of the main menu. Clicking on Settings will open a new page where you can manage different parts of your Stripe account. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the Account Settings section. Within this section, there's an option labeled Business. Go ahead and click on Business. This will take you to a new page where your account details are displayed. Now, this is where you'll find the information you're looking for. On the Business Settings page, you'll see both your account name and your account ID clearly displayed. The account ID is prominently featured, so it should be easy to spot. It's usually a long string of numbers and letters. Make sure you note it down accurately if you need it for any specific task. Having your account ID on hand can be particularly helpful when communicating with Stripe support or when setting up external payment integrations that require this information. A quick tip here: ensure that your browser settings allow pop-ups and cookies from Stripe, as sometimes certain settings might restrict full access to account information. And there you have it. By simply navigating through the dashboard to Settings and then Business under your account settings, you've successfully located your Stripe account ID. It's always best to keep this information confidential and securely saved, as it's a critical part of your account identity. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Navigating account details might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, it becomes much simpler. Remember, Stripe's help documentation and support are excellent resources if you ever find yourself stuck or needing further assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.